Now, how do you erase clipboard history on the iPhone? Let's get into it. So there isn't really a dedicated setting for it, but the clipboard usually stores one thing, like one sentence or a word, right? So if you just copy something, it is stored in the background of the phone in the clipboard. So if you instead copy something else, like a different phrase, then you can paste the new phrase and the old one will be cleared. So this is definitely a nice way on how you can do this. Keep in mind that you can still restart the iPhone and then entire thing will be cleared as well. So you will not be able to paste anything, right? Because your phone is like started brand new or like fresh, right? So that's another option. Outside of that, what you can also do is to go to your settings, then a general, and at the bottom we have the transfer or reset iPhone. And when you click on reset, you can reset the keyboard dictionary. Plus, if you really want to, you can also reset all settings. But especially the keyboard dictionary, it's kind of important because if you have some words stored in there, like, some common phrases that you've been using or some keyboard shortcuts, perhaps you don't even know what that is. Sometimes it's a good idea to reset the keyboard dictionary to just end up with a brand new and fresh keyboard. So you can just type everything from the beginning, right? Let's put it that way. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know if you did manage to achieve what you intended. Subscribe for more tutorials on this channel, and I'll catch you later in the future ones.